So for Amaani's hair, I've just given her a shower and washed her with the Aveeno baby head to toe wash. I use that all over her body and her hair, and then when I want to brush her hair after, I use the cherry almond leave-in conditioner by Aveda, and I use a very small amount. She's not yet 2, and she doesn't like her hair getting pulled at all. She gets really upset. So in order for me to make this an easy process for the 2 of us, what I do, so I section it and then I start from the bottom. The key is to start from the bottom because that's the easiest way to get the knots out, and then you work your way to the top. If I tug her hair, then she runs away. She says ow, and then she doesn't let me touch it. And I have from the start tried to make sure that it doesn't get to that point, and I tell her that we need to brush her hair, otherwise she will get knots. If her hair is especially knotty, then what I do is I take a little section and I just twist it, and what the twisting does is it stops the hair from pulling. And then if I feel that there's too much of a knot in one section, then I just separate that section and then I just brush it. And this brush is by Red Berry. I don't know where it's from or how we got it. We use this one in the main house, and in my house I have an Evo brush which looks exactly the same as this, and that's just what I use. And this is it. So you'll notice the curls come up. And what I find about the leave-in conditioner is it doesn't weigh her hair down or make it look greasy. And I feel because her hair is already so hydrated, I guess you could say, any sort of extra or too much moisture, it makes it greasy looking. And if I use like the Johnson's & Johnson's shampoo in her hair, it starts looking greasy straight away. So that's it. And I hope this video was helpful.